Hi everyone, I'm Bruce, an engineer at Golden Laser. Today, I'm excited to introduce the E8 fiber laser cutting machine and show you how it's advanced features redefine precision and efficiency. Built for your needs, custom sizing and modular designs that make assembly a breeze. Boost your throughput with 1.5 gram acceleration engineered for stable, high-speed performance. Maximum safety, zero compromise. With integrated laser head protection, live trajectory monitoring, and light curtain sensors, we've got you covered. Easily removable magnetic protective cover. Hole-to-edge spacing, accuracy error within 0.03 m. Now performing taper measurement, the E8 delivers high-precision cutting results. The E8 laser cutting machine never disappoints, delivering clean cut edges every time. Elevate your production with Golden Laser.